Vector physics. This is one I go back to quite a bit because I've seen it. I've seen it applied, I've seen it used. I have an understanding when I would pull vector physics into a conversation about something serious, eh? So, what started this was I asked the Googles how many types of math are there? How do, something math? General. Took me to, naturally, a Wikipedia entry about different types of math. I was surprised to find calculus is considered a part of fundamental math and not advanced math. But that's a good thing. That's a positive. I hope it's taught that way, or the concepts are taught. So, vector physics. Vector physics is a pretty specific way of studying energy movement and energy transfers if you follow the movement through all of its reactions. But it's a way of looking at a point in time or a point over a time spread and see where energy will move. So even in politics you can do this simple vector. If this continues, where is it going to go, right? It's one tool in analyzing things and looking at it. There's other differential equations, Riemann's sums, the calculus, the other statistics out there in the math. So that simple question, how many maths are there anyway, is not that simple. Interesting as fuck, though. So if you know a little bit about these things, you can begin to say, hey, this is how other people understand this thing. Here's how other people predict what's next, because the vector is pointing in that direction. Now, that vector can be as subtle as a mob of people. It can be crowd control. It can be put into herd theory if you want to go there, because that's another bit of science out there, as well as a loose term in jocularities that we use. So, math, even understanding that it is a toolbox, a whole array of tools. And people know very specific things out of that toolbox and nothing else about the tools surrounding them. That happens. It's siloed. It's need to know. It's you can spend your lifetime in the search for the perfect buckyball. So the math becomes important. Understanding that math works and how it works and how it can mislead. It can set vectors in conversations, right? Just because of a simple nuance or a trigger word put in there about beliefs or other social things going on. So, a little bit of a hazy day, not too bad. Peace is out.